I didn't plan to discover this, but once I did, I couldn't ignore how powerful it actually is. What you're watching right now isn't just a video. It's proof of something much bigger happening quietly. This entire monologue is being built from a single image, structured entirely through clean JSON prompts. Every word you are hearing, every subtitle you are reading was defined before the video even existed. No manual syncing, no guessing, no fixing subtitles after export. I'm controlling timing, dialogue, emotion, and subtitles, all from structured instructions. That's when it hits me how much power people are sleeping on. Because this isn't just about video, it's about control, precision, and speed. And once you understand this, you stop creating content the old way. So let me show you exactly what Grok can do and why this changes everything.
All generations, whether pictures, videos, anything, has to start with an idea. Whatsoever thing you are seeing anyone do today, it started with an idea. So first of all, we are going to get an idea for this video that we want to generate. Now, you can have an idea in your head. You can have any idea, but you can also ask ChatGPT to give you an idea. It could be about anything. Now we are generating a talking head video of someone sitting down in a studio, and it is called a monologue video. You can call it a monologue video, or you can call it a talking head video. So the ideas we are supposed to have for this type of a video is a type of idea, just as the name implies, monologue, that is one person dialogue. So any idea you are having, any idea you have in your mind has to do with only you talking. So this is the right prompt for you to give to ChatGPT. Now here is the prompt. Let's create a video. It's a monologue video, and I want us to write the prompt in JSON style. The videos are all going to be generated with one picture. The picture is going to be me in a talking head position. The generated videos will be 6 seconds each, and then we'll put them together with InShot. All videos will say something, a dialogue. The 6-second video will be 10. So a total of 1 minute monologue video is what we are creating. Do you understand? Do you have question? Now, our topic is an introduction. We'll write the speech after I've confirmed the above. So this is the prompt you give to ChatGPT if you are generating a 1 minute video. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be generating just 30 seconds. So it's going to be 5, because 6 times 5 is 30. Then for this place, our topic is not it's an introduction of myself. Introduction of myself, Jamie. Okay, so this is okay. We'll write the speech after you've confirmed the above. So we'll just paste that in, and ChatGPT is going to give us a detailed a summary of everything it's understood. Okay, so looks like we still put 10. There's a place here that still have into. Okay, so you can see that in this place here, ChatGPT said 10 clips. That is because this place still said 1 minute. There's a place here that said the 6 seconds video will be 5, so a total of 1 minute. So a total of 30 seconds. We can just edit that. Okay, a total of 30 seconds. So this place will put videos. The 6 seconds videos will be 5 in total. The 6 seconds each videos. Okay, so we've edited that. Now let's see. Okay, now it has corrected that. You want 5 short talking head video. Okay, you can read through, so we can just read through and confirm everything. Now it's going to ask you a question. Before we write the speech and prompt, I have a couple of questions to make the video perfect. Do you want, okay, I want it 1, we're just gonna answer that, professional. 2, yes, we want gestures. Yes, let there be gestures. And expressions emphasized. Okay, so the third one is, should the background remain the same? It should remain the same. All the talking head videos used to see the background is always the same, so that is just it. We're going to paste that. Now if you don't have a picture on your main prompt, you can add let's generate the picture first. You see this place I said write the speech after you've confirmed the above. Yours can be let's generate the picture first before writing the script. Okay, so this is everything we have. This is the whole script. I am Jamie, a passionate. It's going to generate everything it's going to be saying. So we'll move on to writing the JSON script. We'll tell ChatGPT one at a time. Yes, let's do that, but one at a time. I'll confirm the first before you move on to the next. Please note that I want subtitles. Okay, subtitles is wrong. I want captions on the screen of each video. So please state that clearly on each video. Please state the prompt on the state the prompt for the captions in a language that AI video generator Grok will understand, so that it doesn't gives us gibberish. Another thing, I would like you to please, in a bracket, always describe the tone and voice. I want a typical Nigerian young 28-year-old female voice across. So in all prompts for generation, make sure you add this. For the tone, you can pick anything you want. And please also always add it across. Do you understand? So this is it. Okay, so this is it. Let's see. This is the speech text. Okay, this is the caption text. Now let's see the voice. The voice. Okay, Nigerian female, 28 years old. Okay, let's copy this and try it. Now we've copied this, right? You'll be wondering, where is our picture? So this is the time you have to generate your picture. Now I already have my picture, which I generated with Google AI Studio. We all know how to generate that, and as you can see, my picture is in a format that like it is ready for dialogue. It is ready for conversation. You can see the way the hand is moving. And now here is the prompt that you can use for your own generation. Now, after you are done generating your image and removing the watermark, you have to take it to ChatGPT if you want to turn it into a cartoon. But if you don't want to, you can go ahead, you can skip this process. So to do that, let's go into ChatGPT. Now that we are inside ChatGPT, we'll insert our picture like this. Okay, this is the picture we want to use. We'll insert it like this and we'll go in with this prompt. This prompt is detailed and it is going to be on the screen for you to copy. You can see the prompt: using the uploaded photo as the exact facial reference, transform the same person into a high quality 3D pixel style animated character. Preserve full facial identity. Like it's broad, so I'm just going to put it on the screen for you. It does take time, so you're just going to wait for it to continue doing its thing. It's almost done, and when it is done, you have your pixel style character. Now, as you can see, this is our pixel style character and it is very awesome. So we're just gonna download it like this by saving it, and now we are ready for the video generation. Remember, we've already copied this prompt, but you can still come back and copy it. Then we head over to Grok, insert our picture and insert the prompt. Okay, so this is our picture. Okay, so this is our picture. You just insert it like this, insert the prompt, and you hit generate. You are going to wait for it. Remember, Grok is my all-time favorite and it is one of the most fastest.
Dedicated to sharing inspiring content and real stories that connect with people. I am Jemmy.
Now this is our video. You can see the caption, right? Despite the fact that the caption might have a little bit error, but then if you cannot afford CapCut Pro, I recommend this. If you cannot afford the editing app that are paid, that need you to like to pay for captions, you can use this. Now you're gonna download this. After downloading it, you go back to ChatGPT, okay, and just say something like next, and it will give you the second prompt. This is how you're gonna do until you generate all 6. And if it doesn't give you exactly what you want, remember this is AI and you can always regenerate. Your Pixar cartoon character might not really be like you, especially if you use filters to edit it. Because I use filter to edit the picture, I turned into a Pixar cartoon character. But there are other cartoon characters of mine that look exactly like me. That is because as I'm generating the picture with Google AI Studio, I don't edit it. Okay?
Is to turn creativity into meaningful impact. I love exploring new ideas, learning constantly, and finding ways to turn creativity into meaningful impact. I love exploring
You can see the hand gestures,
a passionate creator
You can see the hand gestures. You see the way it is demonstrating. That is the power of JSON prompts. Now you're gonna do the same for all of it.
Now, I just downloaded the last part, so we are going to head over to our editing app and put everything together. Remember, InShot is our all-time favorite. We just go to InShot like this and put all the clips together one at a time.
I am Jemmy, a passionate creator dedicated to sharing inspiring content and real stories that connect with people. I love exploring new ideas, learning constantly, and finding ways to turn creativity into meaningful impact. Over the years,
you can see this is 30 seconds. 30 seconds, so you can add any other thing you want to add. Add your music, add any other thing, and that is all. Then you can export your video, and that is it. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to be seeing you on the next one, and don't forget to do something. Now you have the opportunity to do something, like you have the opportunity to do something very beautiful. Don't forget to do 5 videos for your assignment. Today is day 28, 2 more videos, and we are going to call it a wrap. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.
I am Jemmy, a passionate creator dedicated to sharing inspiring content and real stories that connect with people. I love exploring new ideas, learning constantly, and finding ways to turn creativity into meaningful impact. Over the years, I've worked on projects that challenge me and push me to grow both personally and professionally. My mission is to create content that resonates, sparks curiosity, and leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to share more, and I can't wait to connect with you.